Hello everybody, this is Shankar from System Based Labs. Welcome back to AI Systems Architecture, building adaptive intelligent architectures. In our previous episodes, we explored why artificial intelligence requires new platform technologies. We explored Elixir, we explored BM, we explored fault tolerance, concurrency, resilience, and self-healing systems. Today, we turn our attention to another technology attracting enormous interest across the technology industry. Rust, a language that has quietly become one of the most admired technologies in modern software engineering. A language trusted by cloud providers, operating system vendors, cybersecurity specialists, high-performance computing teams, and increasingly artificial intelligence architects. But today's discussion is not about syntax. It is not about semicolons. It is not about learning another language. Today we ask a much bigger question. Why are some of the world's smartest engineers betting on Rust? And what does that mean for the future of AI? Let us begin. For decades, software engineering faced a difficult trade-off. You could have performance or you could have safety, rarely both. Languages such as C and C++ delivered extraordinary performance. Operating systems, databases, game engines, networking platforms, embedded systems. Much of the digital world was built using these technologies, but there was a price. Memory corruption, buffer overflows, dangling pointers, memory leaks, security vulnerabilities, unexpected crashes. Entire industries spent decades fighting these problems. Billions of dollars were invested in testing, debugging, and recovery. The industry accepted this as normal. Then Rust arrived with a bold proposition. What if we could achieve performance without fear? Most business leaders never think about memory, but architects must. Memory is where applications live. Memory is where data is processed. Memory is where performance is won or lost. Imagine a robotic system controlling industrial equipment. Imagine an autonomous vehicle making decisions. Imagine a machine vision platform inspecting products. Imagine an AI platform serving millions of users. A memory error in these environments can be catastrophic. Rust was designed to prevent entire categories of memory problems before software even runs. Think about that. Finding defects before execution. Not after deployment. Not after failure. Before execution. This is one of Rust's greatest innovations. Elixir assumes failure is inevitable and focuses on recovery. Rust takes a different path. Rust attempts to eliminate many failures before they occur. Different philosophy, different architecture, different strengths. And Elixir asks, how do we recover? Rust asks, how do we prevent the problem from existing? Together, these approaches represent two fascinating schools of architectural thinking. Now let us connect Rust to artificial intelligence. Most people see AI through the lens of models. Architects see AI through the lens of systems. Training systems, inference systems, vector databases, agent platforms, machine vision engines, edge AI devices, autonomous platforms, industrial systems, cloud infrastructure. As AI scales, performance becomes critical, latency becomes critical, resource consumption becomes critical, energy consumption becomes critical, and this is where Rust enters the conversation. Imagine a future manufacturing facility. Thousands of sensors, hundreds of machine vision cameras, robotic systems, autonomous vehicles, predictive maintenance platforms, digital twins, AI agents, everything generating data continuously. Now imagine processing that information with minimal delay. Milliseconds matter. Response times matter. Reliability matters. Efficiency matters. Architects increasingly require technologies capable of delivering high performance while maintaining safety. Rust was built for exactly this type of challenge. Machine vision is becoming the eyes of intelligent systems. Factories inspect products. Agriculture monitors crops. Retail analyzes customer movement. Transportation monitors traffic. Security systems analyze environments. Every camera produces enormous amounts of data. Images, video streams, object detection results, inference requests, all requiring rapid processing. Rust's performance characteristics make it attractive for these demanding workloads. especially where speed and reliability are equally important. Now consider robotics. Robots operate in the physical world. A robot cannot simply crash and apologize. Industrial robots, medical robots, warehouse robots, autonomous drones, autonomous vehicles, all require predictable behavior. Many robotic systems operate on constrained hardware, limited memory, limited processing power, limited energy. Rust's efficiency makes it particularly attractive in these environments. This is one reason why Rust is gaining momentum in robotics and edge computing. There is another reason technology leaders pay attention to Rust: security. Many modern cyber attacks exploit memory-related vulnerabilities. For decades, organizations spent enormous effort defending against these issues. Rust removes entire categories of these vulnerabilities through its design. The result is not merely performance. The result is trust. And trust is becoming one of the most valuable assets in the AI era. Cloud platforms and Rust. The cloud transforms software. AI is transforming the cloud. Today, cloud platforms execute billions of operations daily. Performance directly impacts cost. Efficiency directly impacts profitability. A small improvement multiplied across millions of transactions becomes enormous. This is one reason major technology companies continue investing in Rust. Not because it is fashionable, because efficiency matters. One of the most exciting areas of AI is edge computing. Instead of sending everything to the cloud, intelligence moves closer to the source. Factories, vehicles, robots, medical devices, industrial equipment, smart cities. Edge AI reduces latency, improves responsiveness, reduces network dependency, improves resilience. Rust fits naturally into this world because it delivers high performance with modest resource requirements. Elixir versus Rust. This is the wrong question. The correct question is, where does each technology fit? Elixir excels. Fault tolerance, concurrency, distributed coordination, resilience. Rust excels at performance, memory safety, efficiency, low-level systems, edge computing, embedded intelligence. The future is not Elixir versus Rust. The future is Elixir and Rust, each solving different architectural challenges. The role of an architect is not to select a favorite technology. The role of an architect is to understand trade-offs. What problem exists? What technology solves that problem? What are the strengths? What are the limitations? The best architects understand ecosystems, not individual tools, and Rust has earned its place within the next generation ecosystem. Python gave us accessibility. Elixir gave us resilience. Beam gave us fault tolerance. Rust gives us performance without fear. Together, these technologies represent different pieces of the future intelligent enterprise, and understanding them helps us design better systems, smarter systems, more resilient systems, more adaptive systems. In our next episode, we bring everything together: Python, Elixir, BM, Rust, and the emerging architecture patterns shaping next-generation intelligent systems. We will examine where each technology fits, where each technology shines, and how architects can combine them to build adaptive intelligent architectures for the future. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, but transformation requires more than algorithms. It requires architecture. Architecture that is resilient, architecture that is secure, architecture that performs. Today we explored Rust, a technology helping engineers build high-performance systems without sacrificing safety. Thank you for joining me in AI Systems Architecture, Building Adaptive Intelligent Architectures, Season 3, Next Generation Platforms, Module 1, Foundations, Episode 4, Introduction to Rust, Performance Without Fear. This is Shankar from System Based Labs. See you in the next episode. Good luck. Goodbye.